This easy breakfast is so good. A simple corned beef hash recipe. If you're new, let's get into the video. Like, comment, and share, and welcome to Carter's Eat. Y'all, this easy breakfast is so easy and so good. We're going in with an 8-ounce can of corned beef hash and a little bit of cornstarch to thicken it up in the pan. Add it just like this. 3 shakes. Do it just like this. It's a super simple, so good recipe. Stir it up so that it gets nice and thick. I'm showing off my Rachel Ray individual casserole dishes. That's why I made this. I had to use them, y'all, and I had to do this recipe for my parents so they could have individual little casserole dishes. We're going in with some scallions in my mini Rachel Ray casserole dishes that I love. And we're going to scramble about 4 to 6 eggs with a little bit of Carter's Spice Blend. Get yours today. If you're new here, thumbs up the video, like, comment, and share. And please consider subscribing to Carter's Eats today. We're going to spray the pan with a little bit of Pam to keep it from sticking. And we're going right in with our corned beef hash as the base of our casserole. Super simple. This easy breakfast is so good. I'm sure everyone is thinking, gosh, I could do this in a huge casserole dish. Absolutely. Get out your 9x9 pan, pile it up high with a good base of corned beef hash, and layer it just like I'm going to show you here. Make sure you use a little bit of surprise in your scrambled eggs, just like I'm going to show you. And who doesn't love corned beef hash? You think you guys may have seen my grits casserole dish when we tried this, but this is even more fun with, of course, corned beef hash. So simple, so good, and so easy. There it is, you guys. Add a little mayonnaise to your eggs. I showed you that last week. Makes it so fluffy and so good. Going right down on top of each casserole dish with the hash brown, corned beef hash as your base. And we're adding the eggs to the top. Now we're going down with some Colby mozzarella blend. And some fresh scallions right on top. Yum, yum. This is layering up real nicely. And now we're going to top it. You can use regular bacon. You can use sausage. You can use no meat. You use mushrooms. We're going down with turkey bacon today because, again, this is for Joyce and Lou, who are seniors. I'm all about a casserole dish, which allows you to move about the kitchen and frees up a little bit of time for yourself while people are coming downstairs, you're serving coffee and fruit. A casserole is always allows you to move about the kitchen. So I'm a huge fan. Okay, they're going in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Here we go. Remember, if you're a member, thank you for all your love and support. If you're watching this from your phone, push the square box in the right-hand corner. It makes the image a full screen. Here's our end result. Doesn't it look amazing? It smells amazing. We're going in with a spatula. Again, if it's your first time here, welcome to Carter's Eat. Please consider turning the notification bell from gray to black so you'll be notified next time we upload or go live. Here's your plate, and welcome to Carter's Eat. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. This easy breakfast is so good.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky. Keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami kamikaze on the mind. Spit flow, paparazzi flash shine, get dough.